Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Please make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe. So let's get started. So today I'll be doing an unboxing video. Guys, I got something that I really wanted for my hair, and here we are. I got this. Thank you, Jesus. Oh my god, I love this gadget. It's a 7-in-1. 7-in-1, guys. There's that, and I bought treatment for my hair because the other treatment I was using is over, so I got this treatment for my hair. It's a Vital olive oil hair mayonnaise, so it's a really nice treatment, especially for people who are relaxed like I am. My relaxer update is long overdue, so I think I may take you on that one. So I got this, and this I'll be opening it up with you guys. I bought them all at Super Cosmetics, Kimathi Street, CBD. This was going for around 850, I guess, 850 Kenyan shillings, and which is a steal, by the way, for people who do their treatments at home and you have your gadgets in the house, maybe a deep conditioning steamer and maybe a blow dry. I think this is quite a steal because it will serve you. Again, people who also go to the salons, I highly recommend that you buy yourself a treatment. You can be carrying it with you. It saves you a lot of coins. So yeah, about that. Now we go to this one. I am so excited. Thank you, Jesus. So this is how this looks like. Let me get a bit closer. We are actually unboxing it with you. I haven't opened it. You can clearly see they're all wrapped in their papers. I'm so happy, guys, because I can get to style. Where's the manual? Oh, it comes with a manual, so you actually can read everything. So there is a soft brush. This is a soft brush. So this is a soft brush. Let me remove it from the paper so that you see what I'm talking about. And the precision, guys, it looks so good. I can't wait to dig in. So this is a soft brush. We have the small roller brush. Yeah. The small roller brush. So this is the soft brush, small roller brush. I know there's definitely a big roller brush, which is here. I think all this will be, maybe if you want defined straight hair or curls, I don't know. This is it. This is a big roller brush. Oh, taking quite a while to come off. This is the blow brush. This is actually what you see here. This is I think it's the one you'll use to blow dry your hair, maybe when you're just from the shower or something like that. But I think this is when you are done using it's taking a while. I think you could start with this because it looks to have the big teeth, for lack of a better word. Yeah, I actually think I'll be starting with this one. If my hair is so wet, I'll be starting with this, and then I define my hair with this if I want smoother hair, and then I think I'll play around with the rest. But I'm so excited for this. So there's one called the nozzle. So this works like the normal blow dry you have. There's a part where you there's the comb and there's the nozzle. So I think this acts as the nozzle. So yeah, we have that. And my best, this one is a metal clip pipe. I can't wait to have my hair in curls, and I'll be doing it by myself. And I guess when I have friends over, I can do their hair because I enjoy hair so much. That's why I had to get this. Yeah, so this I think is if you want to have curls or something, people who have wigs and you want to have your wig looking much better, this is a tool you definitely need in your house. Okay, and it's an investment, guys. I think I bought it for around, it was 5,000. Yeah, to say the least, this was 5,000 Kenyan shillings. Yeah, there's that. And the big guy is here. This is where you connect. You plug in to the power. There's this part, and now this is a connector to all of this. Anytime you want to use any of this, you just, let's try and see. I've actually not touched it, by the way. I said I was going to unbox it with you guys so that we see the goodness in here. Yeah, it's that simple, and then you can get started. Okay, how do you remove this? Oh, there's a place you press here when you want to remove this, and probably pick another. I'm so in love with this thing. Oh my god, thank you, Jesus. Okay, so I guess you okay, I think I'll try fix. Okay, yeah, so there's that. You can also use this nozzle maybe to dry your hair from the shower, something like that. But I know you'll definitely see me use this thing a million times. So that's it. Head on to my channel, press the red button and the bell notification so that when I post a video, you'll be the first to see it. Kisses to all of you. Thank you for joining my family. Bye.